doggy.
Fuck off. No, you fuck off. No, you fuck off.
She wants me, not me.
Excuse me, sir. You don't need to scream in my face, huh?